In this video, I'm going to show you how to live stream to YouTube using your iPad. Now this can be really useful if you want to go and live stream your games, or maybe you just want to share your screen to YouTube. Now to do this, we first need to go and open up the App Store on your iPad. Once you're on the App Store, click on the search box at the top of this page, and then you need to go and type in the word Streamlab and then press search. Go and click on the app in the top right hand side, which is Streamlabs live streaming app. Now all you'll need to do is go and download this to your iPad. You can see here I already have this installed, and then you can press open. Now it will ask you to sign in to your Streamlabs account. What we need to do is click on the YouTube icon at the bottom of this page. You'll then get a pop-up asking you to sign in. We can click on continue and go and sign in to your YouTube account. Now this is just going to make it much easier streaming to YouTube. Now once you're signed in, it will ask you to select your account. Just go and click on it like so. You'll then need to agree to the terms and conditions by pressing continue. Now make sure to press the box next to select all and then scroll down and press continue. It will then go through some privacy settings, click on continue. You'll then need to click on allow. Decide whether you want to enable notifications. I'm going to press not now. It will ask you to access the camera. We need to click allow and then go and press OK. It's then going to try and give you a tour. I'm just going to press skip in the bottom left hand side. Now from the app we have a few different options, so you can click on the settings bar in the top left hand side, and this is where you can go and adjust all of your different video settings. So from here you can change both the video and also the audio settings. Now most of these settings I just leave them as their defaults, so I'm going to close out of this window. You can then click on the scenes icon in the top right hand side of your iPad and click on add first scene. Now it's going to give you a few different layouts that you can go and choose from, and this is basically what's going to be published to your live stream. So you can either go and select from one of the templates, or you can customize this by pressing custom. I'm just going to select this one here and click on create new scene. You can then press save in the top left hand side. Now in the bottom left you have the option to flip your camera, so you can either record something in front of you or you can change this to selfie mode. You can decide to mute your microphone or have this enabled. You also have the option for chat and event list as well. Now to go live, just click on the go live button, click on screen share from the list of options and then press next. You'll then see your YouTube channel at the top of this page. Just go and enable this. You can then click on the drop down next to new broadcast and go and select create event at the bottom of this page. You can also schedule live streams as well. You can then click on next. You can fill out the information by adding a title, also a description as well. Make sure the access is set to public so other people can see your stream. You have the different video quality settings at the bottom left hand side. I like to leave mine set to 1080p. Now once you're ready, just make sure to enable your microphone and then you can go and press the start broadcast button. You'll then see a countdown, and after a few seconds you're now going to be live. So basically anything you now do on your iPad screen is going to be recorded to YouTube. It's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.